Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're just new to the channel, click like, subscribe to the channel. We give away content here for absolutely free. We won't try to hit you with courses or anything like that. We also have a program going on right now where you can learn how to do Amazon and make money on Amazon. So there's different videos and different links in that. But in this video, we're going to actually talk about how you fix your own credit. Now, I know, guys, you heard about people trying to charge people how to fix your credit and get your credit reestablished and all that good stuff. But this here is a absolutely free video how to do it. Okay, so first thing you're gonna need to do is go to freecreditreport.com or .gov or a free one. So you want an absolutely free one. You get one from the government, from all three bureaus: Equifax, TransUnion, and also Experian. So you get all three of those. You want to get all three of those. And how it looks, it's something similar to this. Not not all the way, because this is a sample right here, because I didn't actually want to show my credit report there. But this is an actual sample of how it works. And the first thing is the creditor. So that's the company name, their address, and good stuff. So when we go through different stuff, as far as the free credit report, if you need to remove some stuff, we're going to need that address. This is the account number, the most important part of the credit report, and then the payment history and all that good jazz. So what you would want to do is, and you can get these sheets absolutely free. All you got to do is click like and subscribe, comment down below. When you comment, uh, leave your email address, and I'll give you these sheets absolutely free. Absolutely free, guys. So, okay, so remember I was telling you, uh, so usually what happens is when you buy a credit repair company or service, they send out these types of letters. And this is kind of like a lawyer type letter. And it's a section in the law is the 609 Fair Credit Reporting Act. And what that act is really is saying somebody can't sell your information to credit companies or collection agencies because it's private information. If you know anything about health services and HIPAA and any type of thing like that, they can't share and sell your information. So what you would do is you'll make the correct date, of course, your name, your address, your social security number, and your date of birth. This here is the address you're actually going to send that to, so that'll go in your envelope. This is just actually stating the Fair Credit Report. And what you would do is remember those creditors that we saw on the first page here. So just say just put Department 1. I'm gonna put Department 1. So what you do is put the actual account, the name of the account. So Department 1, Department 1, that account number. So this account number right here. So we're not gonna write out all those zeros because this is a demo one, but it's usually not that long. Okay, so we want to go here. Let's see. Let's make 1, and then leave this as unverified account. Okay, so however number you need to take off or dispute your credit report on your credit report is what you. So if you got 9, 10, even if you got 4, what you would do is highlight all this. Highlight from, like, say you got 5, so you would highlight all this and just delete it. I'm not going to do that because I actually need this to send to you guys, just in case you need it. Leave this here. What this means is nobody's going to try to access your credit report, or any, um, you know, they'll remove any, like, inquiries that you had over 30 days old, and this is suppression. So once you fix your credit, you won't get those, credit offers and free stuff, and they won't bombard you because your credit is good. Now, you will print your name here. Now, the most important step is you're going to have to get this notarized. So all three credit bureaus that you're going to send these to, from Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, all three of them going to have to be notarized and signed. So you're going to have to put your name there. Of course, you're going to change that date. That person puts their seal there. Now, you're going to need a copy of your ID and your copy of your Social Security card. So you need a copy of your Social Security card, copy of your ID. Uh, if your ID isn't current, you will have to send in a copy of your bill of a current bill like a phone bill, uh, along with the ID and the Social Security number. So guys, that's pretty much it. So this is pretty much saving you money. In the next couple videos, you'll actually see how you remove different hardening inquiries and all that good stuff. But I actually wanted to redo this video because I have a video up before, but I didn't explain it as much, and I kept saying and yeah and because it was one of my first YouTube videos. But I wanted to make sure that guys, you get this information here. That way, you don't have to spend money and start spending money uh, that you might not have. And it takes 30 days for them to dispute it. If nothing comes, they don't send a letter back in 30 days. They'll have to remove it by the Section 609 Act, the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So they don't, if they can't prove it to you in 30 days, they have to remove it. Now, what's the way they prove it? Now they have to send you an original documentation. So with your original signature, the original bill, it can't be a copy. It cannot be we got this in the mail, we bought this. They have to actually send you a copy of your signed form with your signed signature in order for them to keep it on your report. Okay, guys. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments. Click like, subscribe, and don't forget, guys, to leave your email down below so I can send you these free credit these letters. That way you can send them off and get your credit going. See you next time on the channel.